Who's that? Boba, who's that? Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy. This is my doggy. He's Boba. He's 2 years and 6 months, but he still looks like a puppy. Oh, and that's my fat pug, JD. JD! They're like best friends. Hey, you guys come here. Come here. Stop blowing on me. Stop. They're best friends. Hey, Boba. Boba, sit. Boba, sit. That's not sit. That's down. Boba. Wait. Boba, sit. That's not sit either. JD, you just licked the camera, you stupid. Boba. 발? So, 발 in Korean means paw or foot. Stop, JD. JD, 발. Hey, not you, Boba. JD, sit. JD, sit. JD, 발. Hey, Boba. They get jealous of each other. JD, 발. Not you. Boba. Stop it. JD. I can't do anything. They get too jealous of each other. You guys want a snack? Oh! JD, stop it. JD, sit. JD, 발. Good girl. JD, down. Down. Good girl. Boba. Boba, paw. Good boy. No, Boba, sit. Sit. No, sit. No. What are you doing? JD, 발. That means paw. Boba, bang. Yeah. Boba, paw. Paw. Boba, sit. That's not sit. Up. Hey. Boba, sit. Not you, JD. Boba, sit. Boba, sit. That's not sit. Sit. That's not sit either. Yeah, so that's my puppies. They're funny. They play a lot. They're like best friends. They're brother and sister, but yeah, fat pig. Anyway. Alright, bye guys. Wait, they're playing again. Okay, bye.